Hello, good morning today. I'm Hyunsu of South Korea. Nice to meet you. I'm a PhD student in social welfare at Konkuk University. Today at the 10th International Society of Science and Humanity in Singapore, I'm honored to present my master's thesis. Then I will start the presentation. The presentation order is let's find our research background, purpose, and sample. Based on the session analysis table, we will present the research results and conclusions. First, the current situation on the problem recognition. While the problem of single-use household is emerged as a concern around the world, the proportion of single-use household in South Korea has been increasing rapidly recently. The number of young people living alone is increasing due to reasons such as school in their 20s and work in their 30s. Since the increase in the number of single-person use household is already a reality, it is necessary to organize for this. Introduce policies on the implement project to prevent problems of single-person household in their 20s and 30s from occurring and solve the difficulties they are experiencing. The purpose of this study was to understand the effect of self-esteem of single young household and self-reliance will on to find out if social support has other effect in the relationship between. For this, for this study, a survey was conducted on young Singapore household living in Gangnam-gu, Gro-gu, and Gwamak-gu, South Korea through an online community. A total of 340 Singaporean households responded to the survey. On the 326 data are analyzed excluding the omission. As research tools, frequency analysis, independent sample t-test, 1A batch variance analysis. On the cross analysis were performed using the SPSS statistical program. In addition, demographic and sociological characteristics, independent variables, and the moderating effects were verified. Through hierarchical regression analysis. Regression table. The effect of self-esteem on self-reliance will the analysis result of the effect of self-esteem on self-reliance will was 7.5, indicating that the level of reliability was high. The moderating of effects of social support. In addition, as a result of hierarchical regression analysis, on whether the effect of self-esteem self-reliance will has a moderating effect on social support. It was found that the level of reliability was high. Based on the analyst results, the policy implications of this study are as follows. The first, since the situation of single-use household is worse in its region of the country, a sophisticated fact-finding survey should be preceded. The second, in addition to understanding oneself, there is a need for a way to maximize one's capabilities. The third in what was suggested that there is a need for measures to expand the community on the community on the share information of single-use households through the, the formation of governance for single-use household. The fourth, there is a need for a fund to replace the pass-through. An emergency fund loan system for single young household and a national guarantee system for single young household. Suggestions for follow-up research. In the follow-up study, a comparative analysis should be attempted done through a study based on single-use household of two or more malpractice governance. In addition, it seems necessary to adjust the response ratio of the age group to analyze. With various young age groups evenly distantly buttered. In addition, it will be necessary to analyze the factors of the cause of the high proportion of single female use household. In addition, it is important that the research will help introduce more realistic policies if it is conducted in the direction of comparative analysis through research between Singapore overseas and the Singapore's domestic use household. That's for my presentation. It was an honor to present. At today's conference, this has been Konkuk University Hyunsu Kim. Thank you.